Wagashi. Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. So today, as you can see, we are making wagashi, and I hope you will like it. As I always say, no long talk biao. EB2. Okay, let's get started. So I have here 2.2 liters of whole milk. You should always use whole milk when making your wagashi. And I have here lemon. I'm using two. So usually I use this lemon juice I got from Tesco and it's finished. I use 2 tablespoons of it. Back home in Ghana, we use a certain leaf to make the wagashi, and here, unfortunately, you cannot find the leaf here, so we substitute it with either lemon, white distilled vinegar, or yogurt. And at the end of it all, it tastes the same as wagashi. The value is the same. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. I'm pouring the whole milk to my pan, which I will bring to boil on medium heat. So I like to stir my milk when it starts to boil so that it will not stick to the pan, and also when it's boiling it rises up, so you need to be very careful when it starts to boil. So now I'm going to add the lemon juice to it. Pour it round. So immediately when you add your lemon juice to it, it will start to separate and form a curd. You see? To form a nice curd. Yeah, so now I'm going to off my heat and then let it sit for about 5 minutes and then strain it. Now I'm using my fruit strainer I use for my Hausa cocoa, but you can use cheesecloth or any other chiffon texture cloth. That will be fine. I have a colander under it and a bowl because I'm going to use the water. I'm going to try and drain some of the water from it because we need all the water to come out of the wagashi. Yeah, so I've used my hand to drain some, not all. Now what I'm going to do is to form the round wagashi shape. I'm going to add a water to a bowl and then put it on top of it so that it will help drain the water left in it. So I'll just leave the water on it for about 30 minutes. Yeah, now 30 minutes is up. I'm going to check and see Yeah, it's looking nice. It has drained all the water from it. Now I'm going to put it on this plate and then cut it to a shape I want. I'm going to fry it, but first I'm going to boil it in that way water. I'll add about a teaspoon of salt to it and then boil it for about 10-15 minutes. It will help the wagashi get soft and fresh. But if you are not going to use it, you just want to keep it, just keep it like this. And anytime you want to use it, boil it in the water for about 10-15 minutes and add salt to it before you fry or you use for your soup or stew. Yeah, so I'm going to cook it on low heat because you don't want your wagashi to scatter everywhere. No, see, it's looking very fresh, very soft. Yeah, so now I'm going to fry it. And that too will make your wagashi very crunchy outside and soft inside. Yeah, see, it's looking very nice golden color. And this is very crunchy. Grgagao. I'm removing the wagashi and placing it on paper towel to remove all the excess oil left and serve it. You can serve it with spice, anything of yours. You can even serve it alone. As I said, see, very soft and crunchy outside. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and let's get popping with yamming. Till next time, peace.